For so many of us, we spend years, even decades, trying to prove our worth to the world. We build our lives around earning it, chasing it, hoping that one day we'll finally feel complete. But one day you realize you already had it. It was always there, waiting quietly beneath the noise. We chase external validation like oxygen, convinced it's the air we need to breathe. We want the applause, the recognition, the constant approval from others. But real, lasting peace comes the moment you stop asking the world, "Am I good enough?" and start telling yourself, "I am enough." This is the great paradox. Confidence doesn't arrive from success. Success arrives from a deep, unwavering confidence in your own intrinsic value. When you truly value yourself, life begins to mirror it back in the most beautiful ways. So right now, take a slow, deep breath. Place a hand on your heart and feel its steady rhythm. Let this be your practice, your anchor. Whisper, "I am enough," exactly as.
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.